Hello everyone, this is Charles Harper. I'm inside of Coursium and I do want to show you what is happening here. And you're going to notice that the platform itself does have some limits. Obviously you can purchase at one offer unlimited storage and unlimited bandwidth if you want more than what they have to offer. I'm going to show you how this works. Basically what you're going to be able to do is you're going to go to this video area. And this is where you're going to upload your videos. And just so that you'll know, when Coursium calls a video a course, they're calling a course an actual video. And I'll show you what it is in a minute. Let's say that we're going to add a particular video. Now you can add your content from YouTube, from Vimeo, from Facebook, or from Dropbox. Once you get it here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be adding the content, and Coursium is going to transcribe that content. So for example, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab one of our longer form videos and I'm going to go ahead and upload it here. And then that's going to then start to upload, and it's then going to start to process. So you'll see here that it says that it's initializing. What's going to happen is that eventually a transcript is going to be generated. I'm going to come back to that process. We're going to take a look at one more thing here. While that process is working, what I can do is I can come to what's called a video page. And basically I'm going to create another video page. I'm going to give it a title. If I want this to have a URL on their platform, I can do that. I can add in a logo. If I want to show the view count on the page or the publish date, I can do that. I can have the open link text if I want to. And I can require a password for this particular video if that's what I want to do. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to save this inside of Coursium. What I'm going to do is going to go back to the video, and I'm going to then open up the video process here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add this video to a specific page. I'm going to add it to the page I just created. That's going to add it to that video page. Let's go back to that page that I created. Go to the video pages. We're going to open up that page. And then there is our video on the page. Let's open up that particular page to see what it looks like. Your customer has one video now on this page. Now what I can do with this page is I can set this page and make sure that it remains private, or I can password protect it, as I said. Or what I could do is I could copy the entire code for the page and I can place it on my WordPress site. So for example, if I come inside of WordPress, I add here a new page, and then I add this HTML code to that particular page, and then I publish it, and then that code now is on the page. We can take a look at that page now. And basically I have this video that's hosted with Coursium now on my own page. So what I could do if I have a membership plugin, in this case I'll just use the membership plugin Wishlist member. I can then protect this with a particular product that I have inside the Wishlist member on this domain. So now this page is now protected by any product that I have for Wishlist member. So if you wanted to sell the product through Wishlist member, you could sell it, and then the customer will have access to your hosted content. Now I'm waiting for the transcript to generate, but if I wanted to, I can upload a transcript for this particular video. And to make sure the video is private, I can make it so that the video is going to be private. Now I'll show you what the video looks like when it's complete. You're going to have your transcript in here, and that is going to be available to the customer, if you choose to make it available. So to show you what that's going to look like, I'm going to go ahead and add this video also to the video page. So let's go ahead and add that video to the video page. I'm going to come back to my video page. I'm going to refresh it. Here's that second video now. So when the customer clicks on this video, what they're going to see is they're going to have access to the video, and then they're going to have access to the transcript, right? So if the customer turns on the transcript, they can then search the transcription, right? So, if there's a word started, and they'll be able to see the words here in that point in the video. If they click on it, then they'll be taken then to that point in the video. Right? So it's kind of cool. Now, you can do this in Searchy. Searchy just a lot more in order to do that particular feature. Okay, so I can come back, I can add all these videos to a particular video page, and then I can add that page to my WordPress site. Now, when you get this, we're going to give you some video content in order to add to this. It'll make this easy for you to get started with it. And the link you're going to see right down here at the bottom is actually going to send you, before the launch, to a webinar where they're going to give you some special pricing if you get it on their webinar. Once again, you're going to want to go through the funnel in order to get to the unlimited bandwidth and the unlimited video storage. I mean, you can do videos and audios, and obviously, and they're going to have an agency license if you want to sell space to other people. And if you do pick up the agency license, what I will do is I will record a training that you can use in order to pitch your agency license to people who want the service from you. So if you get the agency license, check the checkout area. There will be a link there to a webinar or a page. And as I said, I will create that session probably after the launch ends. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. I'll come back and I'll show you a little more for this. But you can go to their page now. You can get on for their webinar. And just make sure that you go through our link if you want to get our bonus. Okay, so thanks, and I'll talk to you soon.